swish. Four little friends float nearby, four little friends gliding through the air. Mickey laughed, look over there, a rainbow shimmered bright and wide, and swish, three little friends take a ride. Three little friends soaring past the sun, Donald quacked, this is fun. A breeze went whoosh with a gentle flow, and swish, two little friends drift below. Two little friends floating light and free. Goofy said, Gawrsh, look at me. They twirled around with a happy cry, and swish, one little friend sails by. Oh no, where did they go? Daisy waved, I see you. The sky turned gold as the day went by, and swish, no little friends left in the sky. Oh no, where did they go? The clouds drift slow, the winds blow low. But wait above the clubhouse, what do we see? Five little friends shout sky adventure, yippee. Five little friends looking for a treat. Mickey said, something yummy to eat. A sweet smell drifted through the air, and swish, four little friends looked there. Four little friends checking every place. Donald quacked, I smell that taste. A cookie trail led down the street, and swish, three little friends follow the treat. Three little friends peeking in a jar. Goofy laughed, there they are. Candy sparkled bright and neat, and swish, two little friends tapped their feet.
Two little friends baking something sweet. Mini mix, sugar and a treat. The oven warmed with a cozy glow, and swish, one little friend says, let's go!
One little friend holding a plate so fine. Daisy smiled, these treats are mine. They shared and laughed with joy so sweet, and swish, no little friends left to eat. Oh no, where did they go? The kitchen's quiet, the lights glow low. But wait, by the table, what do we see? Five little friends shout